Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Make sure Chromecast and your control device share the same Wi-Fi network. Open the YouTube app or Chrome browser and sign in if needed. Tap the cast icon in the app or browser toolbar, then select your Chromecast device from the list. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation on the TV. This means YouTube will hand playback control to the Chromecast. If you want to cast from a computer, use the Chrome browser and cast the tab or media directly. Now control playback from your phone or computer. Tap play, pause, seek, or adjust volume. These commands are sent to the Chromecast, freeing your device to browse other apps. To change quality, open the player settings gear icon and pick 1080p, 720p, or lower to reduce buffering. This affects the Chromecast stream, not your phone. To build a session, add videos to the Up Next queue or use the library and playlists, and Chromecast will play them. To end, tap the cast icon and choose disconnect or stop casting. The TV returns to its previous input. If the device doesn't appear, first restart your Chromecast by unplugging power for 10 seconds, then reboot your router and control device. Make sure the YouTube app, your phone OS, and the Chromecast firmware are updated, since mismatched versions can cause connection or playback problems. If buffering persists, lower playback quality or move the router closer to the Chromecast to improve Wi-Fi signal strength.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.